Today we are milling up some siding for a neighbor. We're trying to fill our first order of 2020, just 1x6s and 1x8s. If we can get some logs dug out, we will try to also mill some 2x4s just to have them on hand for construction projects this summer. So stay tuned. So we just got here and you can see behind me we had a plow ferry come through. I can only imagine it's our neighbor Jim, who is a sweetheart. Kind of shows us the ropes a little bit when it comes to all the homestead things that we need to know about. But I mean, look at this difference. I mean, spring is really hitting. It doesn't mean that we won't have another like 2 or 3 or 4 foot dump, because Colorado typically gets most of its snowfall in the spring, but this is such a pleasant surprise after all that shoveling we did. What are you doing, Ben?
Adjusting the saw head so the right side, the outside, the blade is 1/16 of an inch higher than the inside, because when the motor goes, there's some centripetal force that pulls this down. So this side comes down 1/16 of an inch when the blade is engaged and the motor's engaged.
So while Ben works on the mill, he's just changing out blades and kind of doing some fine tuning. I decided I would come and explore the homestead / property. Ben doesn't like it when I call it a homestead because he thinks that it's pretentious, but it will be a homestead someday. Right now it's just blank land. That was a fun little excursion exploring the property a little bit while Ben got the mill set up, but it's going now, so better scurry back so I can help him out.
One of our neighbors cleared out the woodlot for us. He came up with a tractor. It must have been maybe a week ago or so. Huge help for us. It makes moving around the woodlot so much easier. We definitely owe him big time, and we're working on a small order for him right now. He's going to do some siding. We're going to dig out the dry logs here, so more shoveling. Good afternoon and welcome to the mill. Sunny Tuesday afternoon here. I am just organizing my logs that we cut earlier this week didn't have enough time on Sunday to get these piled up, so came up today to organize a little bit and also get the mill covered. We're supposed to get, maybe 6 inches for the snow in the next couple of days, so figured nice day, might as well come on up and deal with the mill a little bit.